About 54 right now. Here they come. Good afternoon, friends, and welcome back to the homestead. So today we are going to be doing our final move of the year. I've got my 50 Rhode Island Red and Buff Orpingtons that are ready to be moved to the big barn. So let's go ahead and clean up the big barn and get that ready for them, and then we'll come and rally up these guys and take them on to their new home. Let's see if these guys follow me down to the barn or not. They follow my father-in-law everywhere. So it's definitely cold. We hit about 54 right now. Here they come. Where are you guys going? So yes, it is definitely chilly, and I don't see it getting any warmer anytime soon. So we are settling in for winter. My father-in-law has had the barn fire going the last couple nights for the chickens. I'm telling you, we have some spoiled chickens here. All of my other hens that are out are doing just fine. The little ones, the bigger ones, they're all doing good. Alright friends, so I got everything all cleaned up in the big barn. Now comes the fun part of trying to catch all these babies. So I brought my father-in-law's pigeon cages, and that's what helped get them last time. So we're gonna do that again this time, and hopefully it goes pretty smoothly. I know it's gonna take me a minute though. Alright, I was successful in getting all of them in three of these cages. I've got another one up front with me. So we're gonna head over to the big barn and get them into their new home and see how they like it. Alright, everybody is inside the new home. So they're gonna stay there tonight, overnight. It's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, so they're gonna stay here, and then tomorrow morning I will let them out to start roaming around. But I want them to know that this is home and this is where they need to come at night. So I want them to get used to this area. So we will see. Tomorrow we'll come out and open them up and see how they do. Alright friends, it is morning. And it's time to go ahead and let out all of the chickens. We're gonna head down to the big barn and see how everybody did for the night. This was the first night that my Buff Orpingtons and my Rhode Island Reds slept in the big barn. So let's head over there and see how they did and let them out and see what they think. They are definitely scared. They're all hiding back there. So I doubt they're gonna come out while I'm out here. We'll go ahead and head around to the back, or to the front, and let out the rest of the chickens. And then we'll come back over and check and see how they did. I have to give them feed. They have no feed left, so let's go let out the other ones, get them some feed, and we'll come back and check on them. Alright, all the chickens are out. Now it's time to feed the pigs real quick and open up the back so that, I think it's Hermione. We got Hermione over there right now, so she can go out and run around. so let's get some more feed to take over to the baby birds, and I'm gonna fill up the other ones, the other trays that we have out here for the other chickens. I got a lot of chickens. All right, so I'm about to go around the corner. Let's see if any of the chickens have come out. No. They are still inside. They'll eventually come out. There's no food inside, there's water out here, so if they want to eat, they'll venture out. Alright, they ventured out and they're looking pretty good. Of course, they got scared because I went in there, but they'll come back out and start feeding again. There's still quite a few that are inside because there are 50 altogether. I've got 25 Rhode Island Reds and 25 Buff Orpingtons. So that's a lot of babies. That's probably just half. I've got a bunch more still inside that haven't made their way out yet. Alright friends, thanks for hanging out with me today as I did our last move of the year, and that is moving our chickens from the brooder to the big barn, and now they are going to be incorporating with the rest of our chickens. So I hope you enjoyed this video, friends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well and have a blessed day.